latest vlog ko. So, ito guys, yung ating Huawei Free Buds Lite. So, i-unbox na natin siya. In 3, 2, 1.
Huawei Free Buds Lite. We're doing unboxing and hands-on review of the Huawei Free Buds Lite. The same look as the main products in the market. For sure, it's going to be a promising device for fitness enthusiasts and active users in general. Let's start the unboxing. The Huawei Free Buds Lite comes with the clear square white box. Opening it, you will be greeted with the oval charging case wrapped with plastic. Underneath it comes with another box that houses the micro USB cable, a warranty card, and a manual. And extra bud rings of various sizes. So let's clean it up before we going to the main product. So going back to the main unit, Huawei Free Buds Lite are tucked inside the charging case. Design wise, the earphone quality is very stylish and minimalist. At the same time, the white case and the earphone definitely comes with premium feels. The earphones are made up of high-grade polycarbonate plastic, while the case is phone and noise cancellation. For the setup, if you want to be power on the device, you will press and hold for 2 seconds while the earphones inside, the LED indicator will flash blue color. And it also means that Free Buds Lite is readily to be paired. When pairing to a device, you will be needing to open the case while the earphones inside the cradle. Performance. When playing music, you can double tap the right earbuds to play or pause or skip the next track. The sound quality is great. The clear bass, not too point overpowering. It also registered in high frequency. The case featured micro USB, a function button, and LCD indicators. When answering calls, you can double tap to answer or reject calls. The Huawei said the battery life of Free Buds Lite will last for 12 hours. In our test, it hit the mark on that figure. And if you want to give extra protection for your Huawei Free Buds Lite, you can order this cute silicone case on the Huawei store. The link is on the description below. This device is truly promising and can be a good competitor to other brands in the market. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye!